Hello everyone. Okay, welcome back to Black Point FX Trading Channel, where all the impossibilities turn to possibilities. So I hope everyone is having a great week ahead. Those that are working, making their money, those that are trading, also making their money. Nobody's blowing their account, because that's why my YouTube channel is there. Check out my YouTube channels. You will have learn some tutorials and simple trading and making money. So back to what's happening on my. I'm setting up my trying to set up my take profit positions, which is what I'm setting up right now. I'm going to be using a 432 435 position. You can see that I'm trading on volatility 75 index. I always trade index because it's the best place to make your profit. My broker is Deriv, and why I always trade with volatility 75 is the lot size. It's nice and understandable, and when trading with this lot size, you can trade with it on any account. So many people ask, why did I enter my position where I entered my position? Why did I make that entry there, and why did I set up my stop loss over there? There are reasons why I did all of this. Because before entering a trade, you have to ensure your technical analysis is correct. You have to ensure that your technical analysis is correct. I'm saying this 2 times, and there's a reason why I'm saying this 2 times. Because if you have a wrong technical analysis and you enter a trade, you end up losing. And sometimes you lose more than what you bargained for if you're not good in risk management. So, as you can see on the chart, I have 2 yellow lines showing. Those 2 yellow lines, do not mind them. Those 2 yellow lines are from previous chart reading that I did. Previous chart readings that I did to analyze why that was like a previous resistance and support level lines. So you can see there's a double. We are trading on that double bottom. Now the double bottom is not our main priority on why we enter that trade, because some people will say yes, when a double bottom occurs, a retest will surely happen. This is not a proper double bottom, is because the market did not have a continuous buy before having the double bottom. Instead, I'm trading against the trend line. Now it's not like as if I'm trading against it, but a trend line occurred. Very soon I'll set up why I did that. A trend line occurred from down to here, meaning the market had a particular trend: high low, low low, high low, low low, high lows and low lows. So when that occurs, always look out for a breakout. And when a breakout is occurring, it means a retest will follow. Test must follow shortly. So there are 2 things to trade. You can trade on an early breakout. 3 things to trade. Sorry, you can trade on the early breakout or the retest, and finally you can trade on the main breakout. The main breakout not signifying that there will be a massive buy, the massive bullish market is where you enter your proper trade. There you set your take profit position very high, because it's going to have a very big buy. So I did not trade on that. Instead, I trade on the retest. After the retest, I'm going to enter my positions for my massive buy as a trader. So I'm setting up my stop loss here. Because the market is ranging. There's manipulation. These manipulations occur because it wants to clear those traders that entered immediately. And as you can see, I'm close to where my take profit positions is. It's just few centimeters or meters apart. You can see I'm already on $3,000. So if you watch majority of all my videos, it's almost like as if I make $3,000 profit in all my trades. Obviously, that's what I do. I love the $3,000 take profit positions. So you see, close. We are getting close to where our take profit is, and yes, we just hit it. Yes, we just hit our take profit. What is happening? This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. MT5 deriv has become faulty. I think that they have a faulty. There's a fault. There's a fault. Positions means the trade is going to exit on its own automatically. That is not what happening right now. You can see that I've hit the positions and the trade is still on. That is wrong. See my take profit positions, and that is where those lines are. The trade did not close. Instead, the trade is still on and running. Deriv, they've seen that I've really made a whole large sum of money out of them, and if this was to be my stop loss, it's going to close immediately. But this is my first time. This is the first time I'm experiencing this kind of situation, whereby I hit my take profits and the position does not close. Can you see? These are my previous trades. These are my previous trades. So what's happening? Why is it that it's the way it is right now? I can't really tell. I feel maybe MT5 are either running an update or there's a little fault. That's why me hitting that take profit position did not close the trade, because these three positions are supposed to close automatically on its own. You can see that I was over $3,000, but now I'm back to $1,200 because the trade did not close. So I think the buy market is going to happen now, but no, that's this position is going to, it's going to come down and hit this same take profit position. When it hits it the second time, then you can enter your buy. So this is me setting up this line. This is the trend line I'm trying to set up. You can see from where the market started its trend line. It had a high, then a low, a high low, another high and low, another high low, and the lower low. So you can see that's what. Now this is where it started the first breakout, and then came back and had this retest over here. So that is where I set up. That is why I set up my take profit there, because that's where the retest is happening. So what I'm really still amazed at is this trade not closing when I had hit my take profit positions, because this is unbelievable. Look at my previous trade. Look at this $115, $130. That color by the side means that that's a take profit positions, and it closed automatically on its own. So why does this trade refuse to close on its own? That I do not understand, and that I cannot explain. So see, I'm close to hitting that same take profit again, and I've hit it again. Let's see if it closes. No, the trade is still on. Something must really be wrong with the for that position not closing. So honestly, I don't know what to say, but I believe if you were in my free Telegram signal group, amount I made or more than, depending on the lot size you enter with, depending on the capital you're with. So head over to my YouTube, check the link in descriptions of each videos. You see a link that will lead you to my free Telegram group where I drop free signals. So I've hit the take profit twice, and then the real double bottom has actually occurred now. So those two candlestick you're seeing is called a bearish engulfing candles. Two occurred, meaning that the market now it's going to buy market. So I'm going to tell my people in my group, enter their buy positions now. Everybody should enter a buy position, because this market is going to buy, and it's going to buy to the previous, not the previous, like from where the trend line started. It's going to buy back to that position. So I hope everybody is following up. Don't forget, I offer account management. This account management entails me managing your accounts for you. Don't forget, I take nothing less than $100 account, because The higher capital, the best profit you get, and we grow that money for you. I have VIP signals, VIP strategies. Subscribe.